guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambreen and today I'm going to be testing some skincare out. Now, I need to go wash my face, so that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, let me just go wash my face and then I'll be back and we'll be testing this stuff out. So actually, first of all, let me just show you guys, after I shut this really noisy drawer, let me just show you guys all the things that I'm going to be trying out today. I've decided that I only want to show you guys things a couple at a time, just so I can really get to know the products and see what I think of them. These products were sent to me by YESSTYLE in the hopes that I will review them, and yeah, they're not expecting me to like give positive feedback or anything like that. They just want me to simply review them. So this is how the box came. I was quite confused at first because the box came without any letter, any note, nothing like that. So I had to double check because I thought I was going to get sent makeup, and this is the beauty products that they wanted to send me. I have done another video showing you guys what YESSTYLE sent me last time when I won the kind of giveaway type thing. But yeah, let me show you guys all the things that they sent me. So I have 3 items in the box. The first item I have is this huge box. So the first item I was sent were the Stress Out Solution Pads, and these are by Bella Monster. Now these brands I have not heard of, so I think that they probably wanted these brands to be voiced out or somebody to at least try them. And these are the Stress Out Solution Pads, so I'm assuming these will be really good. It says take care of line, offers synergetic effect of carrot seed oil, effective for soothing the skin, that unsure, clean and calming care for the skin. See, well, the English isn't that great on here, but I'm assuming it is for your spots, to soothe irritated skin. It says after cleansing, gently wipe the skin, avoiding eye area with the embossed side, remove excess dirt with the smooth side, pat toner in for better absorption, to prevent evaporation, always close cap tightly after each use. So the first ingredient in here is Centella asiatica, which is really good for hydration, like really good, penetrating into the skin and drawing that and stimulating that hydration. It has jojoba oil, there is sunflower oil in here, there's glycolic acid, and carrot seed oil, there's rose flower water, lactic acid. So a lot of really good ingredients in here. And from what I know, glycolic acid also does the same thing as drawing that hydration to the top layer of your skin and just hydrate it in general. So I'm really excited to use this. I feel like it'll be really good for blemishes and for getting rid of scars, and again adding lots of hydration to the face, which I think I really need right now, especially around this area, because my skin is so dry from when I had a terrible cold last week. Well, that's the first skincare product. I like the idea of the fact that YESSTYLE does think of these as beauty products. No, that's why I was so confused, because I thought they'd be like makeup products, but you know what, if you want to apply makeup to your skin has to be good for your makeup to look good as well. The product I have is this cute jar. This jar is so gorgeous. It's a glass jar, which is brilliant, and this is the FRUDIA derived from fruit avocado relief cream. Avocado is apparently supposed to be really good for hydrating as well. You have the purpose is, it says it's a skin protectant, so obviously it's going to protect your skin from any harmful, harsh environments, and I think it's supposed to really hydrate your skin, which I am all about. And the first ingredient in here is witch hazel. Oh sorry, it does says the ingredient, this does contain witch hazel in there, so if you're irritated to witch hazel, maybe you might not like it, but it does say 0.0001%. And then the definitely the first ingredient in here is avocado fruit extract, which, do you know what, it's so nice to see that in a product, because nowadays when products say they have something in there, and it's always most likely near the middle or the end, and when it's at the front, you know that that's the main product in this, and so they are advertising correctly. So I can't wait to try that. I've got high hopes for this. I feel like it's going to be a really rich moisturizer, which is perfect for this time of year too. And the last product I have are nose strips. So these are the Blackhead nose pack pore deep clean blackhead removal strips by TOSOWOONG, and you do get quite a lot of nose strips in here. If I were to buy this from the UK, you'd probably only get 3, but there's like, wow, there is 8 in here, which is fantastic. So I am desperate to try this out. I knew that I really wanted to try this out, so I have not touched my nose, so it probably absolutely looks terrible right now. When I take my makeup off, I'll show you guys what it looks like, but I cannot wait to use this because I really feel like I need it a lot. And from feeling the packaging, these strips actually don't feel that thick, so I feel like they're going to be really good at getting rid of all those blackheads, which I am so excited to finally see come out of my nose. But yeah, so I'm just going to go wash my face and then I shall be right back. By the way, I leave the links to all of these products to the YESSTYLE website down below if you guys want to check them out. And if you want any of these products, yeah, I'll link them all down below. So let me go wash my face and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I've washed my face, took my makeup off. If you guys want to know how I literally take my makeup off in 2 minutes, then I will leave that video in the eye. It was just like the second video ago that I recorded that one, that I posted that one. So yeah, and I literally take my makeup off in 2 minutes. I'm wearing my fluffy sleeping jumper on, and I've bought some really cute PJs from Primark this week as well, so I can't wait to share that haul with you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe, help this girl out. I do makeup, skincare, life, everything, fashion, everything, you name it, I do it all. So yeah, let's get on with the skincare routine. I've got my little bear ears on. I think they're on the wrong way round, but it's okay. These instructions are in Korean, so obviously I'm going to go in with the nose strips first. You guys see from here the instructions. She does have a bit of water on her face, so I'm just going to get a bit of normal water from my bottle and I'm going to splash it on my nose since I have just washed my face. Okay, so I've put a bit of water on my nose and the rest of my face. Obviously I would recommend you do this straight after you've washed your face because your pores are open and everything, and I have just done that, but I've just spent 2 minutes putting this jumper on and the ears and then talking to you guys. So this is what the strip looks like, black charcoal coloured. I bet this is it says Blackhead and SEBUM out nose pack. I'm assuming this is like a charcoal version of the nose pack, so I'm just going to take it off. It does say to take it off, and it's going to be facing this way on my nose. Okay, let us do it. Okay, I've taken it off and it does seem like there's a plastic film on there. I'm assuming it is this way. Let's go. Oh no, I've already put that on a little bit bent. Okay, I've just literally soaked the whole thing and it already feels like it's sticking to my nose. So it does say to leave this on 15 minutes, which is actually longer than what I am normally used to. So I am going to leave this on my nose for 15 minutes because normal nose strips only take about 10 minutes and then you can peel them off. And then we shall peel it off together. Hopefully it won't rip my nose off, but we shall see. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to go quickly make my sandwiches for work because there's nothing else I can really try anyway. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I can't move this part of my face. I have made a delicious panini for tomorrow. And yeah, I think by adding water to the nose strip, it's really hardened it on my face. But I think next time I'll follow the instructions if this doesn't work. Oh, I'm a little bit scared because this has gone literally rock hard. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, but let's just peel it off. I'm going to zoom you guys into my nose and my beautiful face. My face is starting to feel a bit dry as well because I've not put any products on my face. Oh, I can see some whiteheads. Look how my nose is imprinted into there. Wow. Oh, I think I've ripped it. Let me go the other side. Yeah, I think I made it fragile by adding so much water on. And there we go, that wasn't so bad. I can definitely see some hairs. I can see some of my pores, some of my whiteheads. Yeah, this is what came off my nose. I think a majority of it was just a nose strip, but I like the fact that it wasn't so painful and I could see some of my whiteheads in there for sure. I've just applied my toner with a cotton pad. I'm just going to wipe this over my nose just to get rid of the residue and to kind of calm my nose down. It is a little bit red. Let's just tone the rest of my face because it is feeling dry. I'm going to be going in with my usual skincare products for the rest of the stuff, mainly because I just want to see if there's a difference later on, and any updates that I have of whether anything worked or any final thoughts, I'll leave them down below in the description bar if you guys want to check that out. Okay, right, this is my nose close up. It is looking a little bit more clearer than usual, but I feel like it could have gotten into some spaces like on the sides of my nose where it hasn't fully pulled any out, and my nose does look a lot clearer. So I think next time I'm definitely just going to be following the instructions. Maybe that'll help. This wasn't a wow product, but I think it did the job, and maybe I'll change my mind when I reuse it again. But for 8 to get 8 in here I think is amazing. So, and I like the concept of it being charcoal clearing and just getting rid of any pores. My nose definitely does look a lot clearer. We're going in with the next product, which is this. This is, they've said it's like a toner, and you can apply it like a toner. So I'm just going to be getting one of these cotton pads. There's definitely a scent to this, and there's definitely a scent to the nose strips. I could smell it, maybe because I wear it too much again. But these are not clear. They're quite large cotton pads, so I think they'll be great to bring down your neck as well. You get a little rigidy side and you get a smooth side on the other side, and these are kind of peachy in color, and again there's some amazing ingredients in here, and you get 70 pads in here, which I think is fantastic. I think this will last me ages. Yeah, this is by the brand Bella Monster, and it is made in Korea, and I obviously love Korean skincare a lot. Like, I think they are on another level over there. Guys, have you seen their skin? It's amazing. I think they're like raised to look after their skin from when they're babies. So I'm just going to go in with the rigidy side all over my face and my neck, and then try the smooth side until I've used enough of the product in here. It is soaked in the essence or the toner. It is soaked in the toner quite well. It smells citrusy, but let's see how it feels on my face. I like how big it is because I can just literally rub this all over my face quite quickly. It is not stinging my face whatsoever, and the rigidity part is not rough at all. I'm assuming that I would need to be careful of my eyes. Oh, it's starting to like kind of sting a tiny bit around my lips, but again, my lips have been sore today, so I don't blame this for that. Now I'm going in with the smooth side while I'm waiting for this to detect. Select all, let's go. Bella Monster Stress Out Solution Pads. You get 70 sheets. Moisturizing seeker ingredients, soothes various stresses on the skin, and I definitely need it for my forehead because I've been breaking out quite a bit on my forehead. So I've definitely avoided my eyes because I have used something similar to this before, but and that's literally what it says. And I feel like the ingredients are in here are amazing, and again, if Centella Asiatica is the first ingredient in here, then I'm just happy about that. I like the fact that there's oils in here, so again it is getting rid of the dirt from your face and also leaving some moisture behind, which is definitely going to hydrate. And again, it does say that it does strengthen the skin barrier, and I have realised there is a little bit of dirt that has been removed from my face. Any excess dirt, it has been removed. So I'm really excited about these pads. Again, you get so many, and the pads are huge and they have such good ingredients, so I am all for it for sure. I have one more product left, and it is this. This is a moisturizing cream, a relief cream, which I think is going to be fantastic, especially during the winter. I am going to be doing the rest of my skincare and then I shall be right back. This is definitely quite a thick cream. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so let's try this on. This is quite a thick cream. It did just take me ages to show you guys the consistency. It does actually feel quite lightweight though, so I'm just going to be applying it and rubbing it in. This feels so soft. There is definitely a scent, but it's not strong. and it actually feels luxurious. Again, I love that feeling. Wow, this is definitely hydrating. I mean, come on, you guys can see that, can't you? That feels amazingly rich, but not in an oily way whatsoever. So I'm really, really excited for that, and I'm here for it for sure. I love the smell of it. If you're offended by smells, then maybe it's not that bad though. It's not as bad as the other products. Like, it's not as strong smelling, and it just feels like an amazingly luxurious cream, and I'm used to using the simple cream, so this is just fabulous. And look how hydrated it has made my skin. So I love it. And again, it's pricey, and if it's ever on sale, then I'm definitely going to be picking it up, because the bottle is so cute as well, and you do get quite a lot. Oh, there was a spatula in here. Maybe I should have used the spatula for hygiene reasons, but it's only me that's going to use it. The spatula is so cute as well. Maybe next time I'll use that for aesthetics. But these products, I'm so happy that I got them. I'm so happy with all of the products that I received, and I think my skin is going to love these products. Okay, so those are all the products that I have to try for you guys today. I would definitely, honestly recommend these products to you for sure, for real, man, especially for the price. Amazing. This I'm obsessed with. I think they're going to be brilliant. And the avocado cream, I do like these. Not as much as the other two products, but I still do like them, especially for the price. I would definitely pick them up again. Again, you can find tons of discounts out there. YESSTYLE are always having a sale on, and thank you YESSTYLE for sending me these products to review. Again, they didn't sponsor me, they just sent them out to me to review them, and I would highly recommend, if you're an influencer, to join the influencer program, just so you can get products to try out, because it can become expensive, especially if you're a beauty blogger and you just spend a lot of money trying products. And I hope you guys appreciate it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, found it informative, learned something from it, enjoyed it, then I hope you guys will share this video and subscribe and stick around. It would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!